So I'm just going to show you how I do a silver solder. What I've done basically is I've gotten the piece of silver wire, I've rounded it up, it's not perfectly round, but just so that it has the joint, two ends are meeting. So I put this on my soldering block, and what I have is I have the silver paste, which is silver solder mixed with flux, and then just have a reverse action tweezers just to hold the piece if I need to, and also my torch. So what I'll do is I just put a little piece of paste onto the joint, like that, and just make sure it sits onto the joint, and then I just turn on my torch and start heating that joint. You can just see the solder melting, and when I heat it some more it'll just run into the joint. It's just running into the joint there.